Quack, quack, duck.
That's Old MacDonald had a farm.
Yahoo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, quack quack at with a quack quack there. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yay! Mom, the
Mousy.
for the
That's mouse. Achoo!
no, there.
You sing muna ABCD.
No,
Twinkle twinkle little star.
no, no.
Humpty Dumpty.
Happy, happy, the
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
Yay!
A frog.
Frog, 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 jumping frog.
Frog. Jumping frog.
Mom, wanna go upstairs? Mom, oh.
Oh, boom boom boom
Jump,
boom boom
jump,
boom
jump,
boom.
jump.
Drum.
Up.
Read your book, read.
My dog.
Duck.
Eggs.
Oh, egg is broken.
Okay.
What is the a teddy bear tears?
No, the
Be careful with the book.
sheepy.
Kikiri duck. Hickory dickory duck.
No.
The mouse ran up the clock.
Okay.
It's a bridge. That's as small as a mouse. As small as a mouse. As wide as a bridge. As tall as a house. As straight as a pin. Wow. Slowly, slowly, very slowly creeps the garden snail. Slowly, slowly.
No.
Snail.
No.
Slowly, slowly, very slowly up the garden rail. Quickly, quickly, very quickly runs the little mouse round around the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step. Oh, tickle you under there. Round around the garden like a teddy bear. One step, two step. Tickle you under there. It's a mouse. Slowly, slowly, very slowly, up the garden trail. Quickly, quickly, very quickly, runs the little mouse. Quickly, quickly, very quickly, round about the house. Slowly, slowly, very slowly, creeps the garden snail. Snail.
No.
It's a little.
Mama, fish.
What do you want?
Fish.
Teddy bear's picnic.
Okay.
The ostrich.
Choo choo.